Bhoi district is fully prepared for the KHADC MDC elections set for February 21st. Election authorities have set up over 331 polling stations across the district. Security measures have been intensified to ensure the safety of voters and officials. The district administration has assured that logistics are in place for smooth operations. Voting materials and equipment are being transported to polling stations. Officials are committed to a free, fair and secure election process.
Polling station. Kini ki polling station nila pia ki totally ki zone, but ndro totally ki sector. Nagabanta banyo igajing penia election kebasuk kebasan, but kebengila aban monitor. Nagapor siya kuipan. Harangkat bat kini ki ndro pongut ki sector kin sadon ro ki sector police ki bansa ai ko office jengu SP jangkari Bhoi district. Nila apoin ro kini ki sector officers bat ki zone magistrate harangkat bat ki magisterial power bengiyo na law department nang bekila ban shim ganu karai hakabayade ban peniat election haka dur kabasuk kebasan bat bengiyo ijing tap vote ro kablong peaceful.
The United Democratic